Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play with bots in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. First, from the main menu, navigate to and select the private match option. This is your gateway to custom games. Next, you will need to choose a game mode. Popular choices include Team Deathmatch or Free-for-all, but many modes support bots. Finally, adjust your match settings, like the time limit or score limit, to your preference before proceeding. Once your basic match settings are configured, it is time to add your AI opponents. Look for the Bot Setup or AI Players menu within the private match options. Here, you can add up to 11 bots to participate in your game, creating a full 12-player lobby. You can also set their difficulty, choosing from 4 levels: Recruit, Regular, Hardened, or Veteran, to match your skill level. With your bots ready, the next step is to select the battlefield. Choose your preferred map from the wide array of options available in the game. After that, take a moment to customize your loadout. This includes selecting your primary and secondary weapons, choosing your perks, and equipping your tactical and lethal equipment. Make sure your chosen loadout is exactly how you want it for the upcoming match. Finally, with all your settings confirmed, including game mode, bots, map, and loadout, you are ready to start the private match. Playing against bots is an excellent way to practice and improve your skills. You can work on your aiming, refine your movement, and gain a better understanding of each map's layout. It is also perfect for testing new weapons or experimenting with different strategies without pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.